जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवातु मे जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवातु मे जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवातु मे जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवातु मे जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवातु मे जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे जय राधा माधव राधे जय कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा सुभद्रमा जय सुदर्शन जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा सुभद्रमा जय सुदर्शन जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय गुरुदेव जय जय गुरुदेव टाइगर हरि बोल टाइगर हरि बोल जय विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजक स्तोत्र शतश्रीमती श्रीमती सभै चरणारद भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय जय विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजक स्तोत्र शतश्रीमती श्रीमती अभय चरणारद भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय वैराग्य मूर्ति श्री गौर किशोर दास बाबाजी महाराज प्रभुपाद की जय सच्चिदानंद श्री भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर महाराज प्रभुपाद की जय वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्री जगन्नाथ दास बाबाजी महाराज प्रभुपाद की जय श्री रूप सनातन रघुनाथ दास रघुनाथ भट्ट श्री जीव गोपाल भट्ट षडगोस्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की जय प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद की जय राधा कुंड श्याम गिरि गोवर्धन की जय मथुरा वृंदावन धाम की जय नवद्वीप मायापुर धाम की जय अयोध्या द्वारका धाम की जय जगन्नाथपुरी क्षेत्र की जय जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रमय जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय हरे कृष्णा I welcome you all for this today's session on Rath Yatra, today's lecture on Rath Yatra. We'll try to understand about the importance of this Rath Yatra festival, which is celebrated in Orissa, state of India, in the Puri province. So this is a very ancient custom, practices. This has generations people are celebrating this festival. So this has actually is a mercy form of Lord Jagannath. So Lord Jagannath is not manifested to non-devotees. Lord Jagannath is not manifested to atheistic people. So in other yugas he is not manifest. In Kali Yuga, he is manifest to all, he is visible to all. You know, even people who do not go to temple, they can still see the Lord near their house or near their provinces, near their area, near their house, just in front of their house. Even they are not interested in Jagannath, even they are not devotee of Lord Jagannath. Lord Jagannath visits the houses of even the atheists, even poor man, even billionaires, even beggars, even untouchables. It does not make any distinction. Lord, he sees the good qualities in us. He visits almost all the houses. You know, there is no rich, poor. There is no partiality from Lord Jagannath, because Lord Jagannath is the father of all the living entities. He is impartial. You know, so he visits the devotees. So normally what happens, we visit Lord in his house, in his temple, But here in this Ratha Yatra festival, Lord visits our place, Lord visits our own house, Lord visits our streets, Lord visits us at at our workplace, our homes. So that is the speciality of this festival. This has come from generations of the generations. There are various glories of this festival, this Ratha Yatra festival. There are various pastimes connected with this festival. Um, we can see from this book. I got it when I visited the Jagannath Puri first time. I got this book. This Sri Jagannath Dham Puri. So I got this book. We will try to understand about this Puri temple, Puri Jagannath temple. So Lord Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Mai, Lord Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Mai, Lord Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Mai, Lord Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Mai. So this is a special form. You cannot see this form. No, this is a very unique form. There is no proper shape which we see in normally temples. In temples we see a beautifully carved deity, maybe from metals or from wooden or from stone. We see nicely carved deity. But whereas this deity looks as if half finished. So that is there is a special leela connected with this also. God is manifested in every form. God is everywhere actually. God has created this earth, water, ether, air, fire, mind, intelligence and ego. These are the material elements. 5 material gross elements, 3 subtle elements. So God is manifested in gross things as well as subtle things. Even though God is spiritual, He is not material. So He does not have material qualities. He has all kinds of spiritual qualities. So He does not have a material body. He has a spiritual body. But for us, who are conditioned these material elements, who are conditioned in this gross body, for us is visible. Is manifest in this wooden form. So Lord is manifest in wooden form for us, for the fallen conditioned souls of this Kali Yuga. In Kali Yuga, people are very fallen. They are addicted to all kinds of sinful activities. So Lord is very merciful. He sees the good qualities in all of us. So He does not see any negative qualities in us. So His eyes are wide open. His limbs are not there. He does not have any proper limbs. His half finished body. Lord Jagannath is having half finished body. There is a leela connected behind this. So we will try to read from this story. The origin of Sri Jagannath. Different stories have been narrated in various states regarding the origin of Jagannath. According to these, in the Sati age, there was a king named Indradyumna ruling from the city of Abanti, the state of Malab. He was a great devotee of Vishnu. Once he longed to install the image of Vishnu in the temple. At that time, Vishnu was being worshipped in Nilgiri in the name and form of Nila Madhav. On this information, the king deputed Brahmins to locate that image of Nila Madhav. One of these Brahmins, named Vidyapati, after travelling many places, finally arrived at the house of a Shabar follower named Vishwabasu, situated here on the seashore. While staying there for some days, he fell in love with Lalita, the daughter of Vishwabasu. Vishwabasu was worshipping Nila Madhav on Nilagiri secretly. Vidyapati was happy to know this fact, and after some days he was able to see the image. Then he returned to Malab and gave a complete account of the deity to the king. The king, accompanied by a huge army, arrived at Nilachal to fetch the image of Nila Madhav. But he found that the image was missing. He was depressed. At that time, a divine voice informed the king that he would shortly find a dharu, a log of wood, on the sea near the river mouth called Banki Mohan. He should get the images carved out of the dog and install them in the temple. Accordingly, the king procured the log of wood and got the images of Jagannath, Baladev, and Subhadra carved out of the same. There is also a story about the carving of the images. The king sent for a number of sculptors to carve images from the log of wood, but none of them was able to carve the images. Finally, after some days, an old sculptor was able to carve the images. Finally, after some days, an old sculptor came in. He promised to carve the images within 21 days on condition that he would show the work alone in a closed room and that none should open the door before the stipulated period of 21 days. The king agreed to the condition that and the work commenced. But after 15 days, he suddenly opened the door of the room under the pressure of his queen Gundicha. He was surprised to find that the sculpture was not there, but the images of Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra was lying half done. The king broke down in grief on such a state of affairs, but at the time a divine voice advised him to install these half-made images on the throne and worship them. Then a temple was constructed for the deities and the images were installed in that temple. Regular worship of the deities commenced thereafter according to the prescribed rites. Various opinions are afloat about the origin of the images. Some scholars say that the images of Jagannath etc. have been imagined from the monosyllabic Omkar. Others opine that the worship of wooden deities owes its origin to the tree worship of the aboriginals. Old scriptures like Skanda Puran, Kapila Samhita and Mahabharata in Oriya where verse describe different types of stories and historians give different interpretations about the origin of Jagannath. Construction of the temple. After constructing the temple, King Indradyumna built a temple to install them. The temple was very beautiful. It was built on the center of the conch shell. Then Indradyumna went to Brahmaloka to invite Brahma to consecrate the temple, and in the meanwhile a few hundred years passed in the earth. By the time the temple was buried in sand, a king named Galamadav reached the spot while loitering in the shores, and the toe of this horse struck against the top of the temple. Then Galamadav removed all the sand around the temple, recovered it and took up some repairs when Indradyumna returned from Brahmaloka. Jagannath is considered as a form of Vishnu, the supreme god in Hindu pantheon. Though the wooden form in which he is worshipped at Puri as Jagannath, Purushottam etc. is not a decent human figure, he is treated as both Nirguna without material qualities, without attributes, and Saguna with attributes, all spiritual qualities. Brahma, the supreme being. So Lord Krishna does not have material qualities, he has all spiritual qualities. So materially, these material elements are subject to changes, but spiritual things are never changes. It always remains as it is. Material things are always changing. Bhutva pralayate. Material things are always changing, always creation, maintenance, destruction is always happening in the material things. Whereas the spiritual things, it never changes. It's ever. Lord Krishna is ever fresh, ever youthful, Nava Yavvanam. If he plays on his flute, Venum, Kvanantam, Aravinda, Dalaya, Taksham, Barhavatamsam, Asitamrita Sundaragam, Kantarpa, Koti, Kamaniya, Visesh Shobham, Govindam, Adi Purusham, Tamaham Bhajam. He is equal to thousands of cupids. He is so much beautiful, Lord Krishna. He is served by thousands of Lakshmi. So such are the qualities of Lord Krishna. So there are various stories connected with this holy abode. of Lord Jagannath, Sri Mandira. It's considered to be temple of Lord Jagannath, temple of Mother Lakshmi. When I went to Jagannath Puri around 2007 or 8, somewhere around 2008, I think so, 8 or 9, somewhere around that period, I went to Jagannath Puri. Before that, I have gone to Jagannath Puri along with my another friend. He was doing work in his own business, self-employed person. Tiles. Tiles work. He was doing tiles work. He had some time, he had some money. He does not know the language, so I have taken him. We have reserved a ticket from Bangalore to Bhubaneswar. We got down at Kurda Road. I think we have booked a ticket up to Kurda Road. So then from Kurda Road junction, we have taken another train, Bhubaneswar. From Bhubaneswar, we have taken a rickshaw, and then we went to our room in the Grand Road. We stayed for some days. We also distributed Bhagavad Gita, Srila Prabhupada books in the train. My friend and myself, we also distributed Srila Prabhupada books in the train. Later on, we also exchanged the books which we had with the other books, the Oriyan books. We taken Oriya language books, and we exchanged our books, and we distributed in the train. So we did our best. We had taken some books and we distributed in the train. So then also from Puri Jagannath, we visited many temples. In it, we taken a rickshaw as a rent, and that rickshawala has taken us to all the temples, all the important temples of Puri Jagannath. Gambira, the house of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and so many important places. The Samadhi of Haridas Thakur, Swargadwar, Ocean, Mahodadi, and then Jagannath Temple, Gundicha Temple, Indradumna tank is there, Shweta Ganga is there. Like that, many temples are there, many important places are there, holy places are there within Jagannath Puri. Prasadam is also very nice. Prasadam, Jagannath Prasadam, Jagannath Kaja is available, and then we have many important places. The Gaudiya Mata is there, Bhaktivinoda Thakura's house is there, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakura's birthplace is there. The Grand Road itself, this is located, and then we have many important places. So that was my first visit to Puri Jagannath along with my friend. And then from Puri Jagannath, after visiting the Puri Jagannath, we went to Mayapur, and then we taken a train. It was an unreserved ticket. We had a very difficult time dealing with encroachers in the train. The Bengalis, they encroach the Bengali, the devotees, the public, the passengers, they encroach other seat. They sell the seat also. First they go and occupy the seat, and later on they sell the seat. Such a business is going on there. So many things. We had a lot of tough time traveling from Bhubaneswar to Mayapur, from Bhubaneswar to Howrah. We had 500 kilometers travel journey, overnight journey. We had a lot of difficulty time, but somehow we managed. We traveled to Mayapur from Howrah, and then we catch another train to Navadvip. From Navadvip, we went to Mayapur. From Mayapur, by boat we traveled, and then we taken a rent for room as a rent. Then we visited ISKCON temple in Mayapur. We had some prasadam. We had darshan, Prabhupada Samadhi Mandir. We had darshan. We had darshan of Mayapur ISKCON temple, and then we came back. We also had some temples, some Ganga darshan. Ganga river is flowing no, near Howrah, so we had darshan of that. Also Ganga is flowing in Mayapur also. So we had all this darshan. And then later on we came back this train. So it was a very great experience. It was my first trip to Puri Jagannath. Later on again I visited Puri Jagannath. I came to Yadagiri Gutta, Hyderabad. There I stayed at one devotee's house. I visited Yadagiri Gutta Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple. I visited. I stayed there in the village for some 2 weeks. And then later on they have sponsored me some. They have given me some money. I think around 300 rupees they gave me. I was there for 2 weeks. They gave me some 300 rupees for my expenses. And from there I went by train to. This is my second trip to Puri Jagannath. I from Hyderabad. From Hyderabad I went by another train up to, I think somewhere, I don't remember. So somehow I managed to go to Puri Jagannath. From Puri I stayed at somewhere around Shvetaganga. I stayed there, Shvetaganga, and then I had darshan of Shvetaganga river. Matsya Narayana temple is there in Shvetaganga. I stayed there, and then also many other temples I visited, especially ISKCON temple also is there. Swargadwar. Haridas Thakur Samadhi is there. Haridas Thakur, the tree which he used to sit and chant, that is there. Swargadwar is there, where all the dead bodies, all the mortal bodies of the souls are buried, are burnt there. All these bodies are burnt there. Dead bodies are burnt there. So they attain heavenly abode. Definitely those who die in Orissa, those who die in holy abodes like Vrindavan, Mathura, Mayapur, Jagannath Puri, they all attain higher life. They all attain higher forms of life. So that's why it is called Swargadwar, which means the gateway to heaven. So those who die in these holy abodes, they all attain higher planets, they all attain heavenly planets or spiritual planets. So today, on occasion of Ratha Yatra, we will try to understand about this Ratha Yatra festival. So the various offerings are being offered to Lord Jagannath. Various services are being offered, and before Rath Yatra there are various events like Snana Yatra festival is there. Before Rath Yatra there is a Chandan Yatra, and then Snana Yatra, bathing the Lord, and the Lord will take rest for some days. He will be sick, then he will take rest, he will recover, he will take medicines to recover, and then later on he will participate in Rath Yatra festival. So this Rath Yatra or Car festival is a most important festival of Jagannath. The Car festival of Puri is known to the whole world. Everyone knows. Prabhupada has taken the Rath Yatra festival to the whole world. The Jagannath Puri, Lord Jagannath the festival was celebrated only in Puri Jagannath, but since the non-Hindus are not allowed in Jagannath Puri temple, that ancient temple, they have maintained the practice of not allowing in non-born Hindus, non-born Vedic followers. They are not allowed there. Those who are non-born Hindus, non-born Indians are not allowed there. Westerners are not, foreigners are not allowed in the temple. That is the main point here. Even Haridas Thakur was not allowed in the temple, so he was staying somewhere far away and he was just seeing the Sudarshana Chakra. So just Sudarshana Chakra, by having darshan of Sudarshan Chakra of this, on top of the Gopuram, on top of the Jagannath temple Gopuram, there is a Sudarshan Chakra is there and flag is there. Every day they change the flag. So those who have darshan of the Sudarshan Chakra, it's equivalent to having darshan of the Lord. The benefit, they get the same benefits. Even though many people are not qualified to enter the temple, and many non-Hindus, followers of non-Vedic religion are not allowed there. Only Vedic followers are allowed in Jagannath Puri temple. Non-Vedic followers are not allowed. So those who are not allowed inside the temple, they can have darshan of the Lord Jagannath in the Car festival. The Car Jagannath can be seen in the Ratha Yatra festival. Many people are not allowed inside the temple because of this their birth. Those who are not taken birth in India, those who are taken birth in other religion, non-Vedic religion, maybe Christian, Muslims, Buddhism, so they are not allowed inside the temple. So because of this, but whereas the Car festival, all can see, all are welcome to see the festival, all are allowed to have darshan of the Lord in the street. So that such is the glories of this festival. So this festival is held on the second day of bright Ashad. From the 2nd to the 10th day of the fortnight, Jagannath stays in Gundicha temple along with his elder brother Balabhadra and Subhadra and sister Subhadra. All the routine rites are observed in the Gundicha temple during this period in the same manner as the main temple. On the second day, the wooden images proceed to Gundicha temple in 3 rathas, cars, and on the 10th day they return. This day of return is known as Bahuda Yatra. So the return Ratha Yatra. They will stay for 7 days in Gundicha temple and then the Ratha will return. First each will have an individual Ratha. Jagannath will have individual Ratha, Subhadra will have individual Ratha, Balabhadra will have individual Ratha. First Balabhadra will go, Baladev will go, then Subhadra will go in the middle, last Jagannath will come. It's like first is Guru and then the devotees and then Lord. First is Guru, then God's energy, then God. This is the first is Guru, then God's energy, God. So if you want to approach God, you should approach through Guru, you should approach through the energy of God, you should approach, then you can reach God. This is the, if you want to approach God, first you have to approach the Guru, Balram. And then after approaching Balram, you have to approach through the energy of Lord. Subhadra is considered to be energy of Lord. If you want to approach Krishna, you have to approach to Radharani. So energy of Lord Krishna. So first is Guru and then energy of Lord Krishna, that is Subhadrama, Yogamaya. You have to approach, if you want to approach God, you have to approach through Guru and then Krishna's energy, that is Subhadrama, and then you can go to Krishna. So for these 7 days, Gundicha temple will become the same. All the routines which were followed in the Sri Mandira will be followed in Gundicha Mandira for 7 days. All the routine rites are observed in the Gundicha temple during this period in the same manner as in the main temple, Sri Mandira. On the second day, the wooden images proceed to Gundicha temple in 3 rathas. On the 10th day, they return. So this return of Ratha Yatra is called Bahuda Yatra. Ratha Yatra is also called Gundicha Yatra, after the name of the site temple under the green of Gratulna. The car of Jagannath, each Ratha, there is a different name for each Ratha. The car of Jagannath is called Nandi Ghosh, that of Balabhadra is called Taladwaja, and that of Subhadra The name is called Devadalan. Sudarshan is placed in the car of Subhadra. Sudarshan Chakra, Lord's weapon, is placed to safeguard Subhadra Mai. Subhadra is considered to be energy of Lord Krishna, Yoga Maya. The car of Jagannath is wrapped in yellow cloth. So Jagannath's chariot is you see it is wrapped in yellow clothes. Lord wears Pitambara. Lord wears silken clothes. It is yellow in color, yellowish in color. That is Pitambara. Silken clothes. Jagannath wears. So that is why Ratha of Lord Jagannath is covered with yellow cloth. Whereas for Balaram it is green clothes. So Balaram is the Guru Tattva. So for him green clothes is there. Green cloth is used for Balaram's chariot. Whereas for Subhadra Mai's chariot, black clothes is used. Black means it is Maya, illusion. No, we all know Subhadra is a Yoga Maya, illusion. Darkness means illusion. So in the material world is illusion. So illusion means darkness. So black clothes are given to Subhadra Devi. Subhadra Maya. In the spiritual world she is Subhadra. In the material world she is Durga. Durga also is Kali. Durga is a black color. So that is why she is given black clothes. So the car, the Jagannath Ratha, the three Rathas contains different wheels. So for Lord Jagannath 16 wheels, for Lord Balabhadra 14 wheels, for Subhadra Mai 12 wheels are there. So in the Ratha, different deities are there, different kinds of demigods are being carved in the Ratha. Different demigods are carved in that. You can see the sages, many deities, many devatas are there in that Ratha. Many rishis are there, many sages, rishis are there in the top. No, it signifies the heavenly planets or above the heavenly planets, like Brahmaloka, Satyaloka, Janaloka, Satya Guna, where the Sattva Guna is predominant. The Rishi Munis, they stay there. The middle planetary system, Gandharvas, Apsaras, Indra, Chandra, Varuna, Vayu, all the demigods, they stay in the middle planetary system, including Apsaras, Gandharvas. So Gandharva, Apsaras, they stay in the middle of this chariot. Now before the Lord mounts on the chariot, they are carried in a palanquin. They are carried by the Sevakartas. It is like shaking movement because the Jagannath is very heavy, so they shake it and take. They shake it so that they don't feel the burden, or they don't feel the heaviness of Jagannath. Jagannath is very heavy. So if it is moved like this and moved like this in the left and right direction, they don't feel the weight, they don't feel the heaviness. So the process of taking Lord Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra Mai by shaking left and right and carrying in a palanquin is called Pahandi. After Pahandi, the Raja of Puri sweeps the floor of the cars with a golden broomstick and sprinkles sandal powder. Now, before Ratha starts to proceed towards Gundicha Mandir, the inauguration is being done by the King of Puri. Is called Gajapati Raja. Raja of Puri is called Raja of Puri. Gajapati, they are called Gajapati kings. So the Puri Raja, he sweeps the floor with a broomstick, with a golden broomstick. He inaugurates the event. By this process, by this ceremony, cleaning the road is also cleaning our heart. So Raja is a first servant of Lord Jagannath, is a king of Puri, but is a first servant of Lord Jagannath. So he comes and sweeps the floor with a broomstick, and he inaugurates the Ratha Yatra festival. Then the pilgrims and devotees drag the cars with the images seated therein towards Gundicha temple with great vijay. So if you see from Sri Mandira to Grand Road, the Gundicha temple, it's around 3 kilometers distance. So the road is very wide, maybe some 6 lane. The road is maybe like 6 lane or 8 lane, such a huge road. 6 lane, I think 6 lane or maybe 8 lane, I think so. Such a huge road. Grand, that's why it's called Grand Road. The distance is from Gundicha temple to Gundicha temple to Grand Sri Mandira. From Sri Mandira to Gundicha temple, it is 3 kilometers. So crores of people, lakhs of people, they visit during this festival, during this 10 days festival. Lakhs of devotees, they come and pull the chariot of Lord Jagannath. Many services are being done. Many people distribute water, many people distribute glucose, or many people distribute fruit juices, many people distribute prasadam, varieties of prasadam they distribute during this Ratha Yatra festival. Make sure nobody is starving, nobody is thirsty, and medical facilities are first class. Medical facilities are there, ambulance services are there, doctors are ready. Like that, many wonderful things events are happening there. So one time, one of our classmate, he fell down because of suffocation, because huge crowd. It was a huge crowd. He's a doctor by profession. One of my classmates is a doctor by profession. So we all went together, and then he fell down unconscious because of the suffocation, maybe breathing difficulties. Then they carried him to nearby treatment center. Then they gave some glucose, some injection or something, medicines they gave, and then he recovered, and then are taken back to the room. So very heavily crowded festival it is. Thousands of devotees are the 3 kilometer stretch. Thousands of devotees will be participating in this event. They will be coming and going, and everywhere it is a huge festival. It's a big festival, grand festival. The government Orissa is assisting in this festival. Government of India also is assisting in this festival. There are various important events are being performed for these 7 days. Many pujas will be done, many offerings will be done, many people will visit. Those who are non-Vedic followers also can visit. I think so, they can visit this temple. Gundicha temple, if they are allowed, I think so. I don't know whether it is. But in the Ratha, everybody can have darshan. During this occasion, large number of people visiting Puri from all parts of India and even outside India get the opportunity of darshan of Lord Jagannath very closely. So you can have darshan of this Lord Jagannath in this temple, Gundicha temple. Just by having darshan of Lord Jagannath, all our sins are vanished, washed away. We can attain liberation in this life itself. So the festival is called, Lord Jagannath is called Patita Pavana, deliverer of fallen souls. So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also